Okay, so this is the lecture video for week 5. Week 5, you're going to add article for case study article number 3 and number 4. Um, here, here's the article. Here's what we're going to add. Um, Basically the same thing. The architect, the engineer, background, history, architectural features, and dimensions. So we've already done that um, with this case study. So, and this is the 6th Street Bridge. So I'm going to highlight slide number 15, hold down shift, click on 18, right click, duplicate slides, and just change this to the new. You know, what I like about doing this is you don't have to format everything and it looks uniform. So from this article to, this new article, everything looks uniform. And so the first article, article number 3, is the Pedestrian Bridge in Giovanna. And click on more specs. You'll find out who the architects are. Here they are. And go ahead and look them up. Find out who specifically did that. If there's no one specific, then that's okay. You can just look these people up. So just highlight them, copy, you know, and then toss them into a Google search. And look, there you have their website. Now, I'm not sure. Oh, so this is in Lithuanian. So Google will translate if you click on English, and you can see all their works. Um, this is very typical of architects' websites. So let's see the bridge in Jonava. Click on that and see what they have in terms of information um, that you can add to your study. These are great pictures. So I would totally go to the architect's website and you can see the connections. That's great. And see what particular features are given, if they give any. And this is basically a pedestrian bridge, and it also has a bicycle range as well. So there you have it. Um, this is a great top view, and I'm pretty sure the things that are highlighted in red are for bicycles. Yeah, because there looks like a bike lane symbol here and here. So bicycles can go across, and you see how the traffic is separated through um, the colorful lines. And so this is pedestrian, anything that is in the yellow. See if you can, yep, and there you have it. So definitely read through the article right here and look at how they separated the traffic simply by color. This is a great elevation view, probably definitely good for your slides. But go ahead and make these slides. And so you know how to do them. We did a couple of them already together. And so the architects are these people, and we don't have necessarily have a picture. Um, so we'll get back to that. Designed by architects. Oop, I'll do my best to And there you go. I'm not going to go through the entire thing, but you definitely have to replace this picture. I don't know if there's any context. Yeah, this is in Lithuania. I'm not. Check out the studio. Maybe there's. So this is probably a good picture. That since it's these are the group of people that designed it. So I'll probably just do a screenshot of this, and there you go. Let's get their information or the screenshot of them. So save as. Let's just do this. Um, 3. Well, this is an accountant, so I don't think she had anything to do with it outside of accounting um, for that project. So anyway, um, yeah, let's take that screenshot, replace image, upload from computer. You can see how this is something that let's crop this. So and since there's so many architects involved in this, this is pretty much the only slide I'll probably rearrange. There we go. And so something like that, I'll definitely add more information. That's definitely not enough information about who the architects are. And so I would definitely look up um, anyone that has architect. So there's 3 of them. These are called your principals. I would look up these 3 and see what their works are. And so um, there you have it. I probably could duplicate this and crop. And that way we can definitely have more room for more information. go. Let's just do this. And then I'll just add more information on. Actually, let's not do that. Let's do this. There we go. And so this is a pedestrian bridge in Jonava, Lithuania. So I'll go ahead and label that. And since I've been using Roman numerals, I'll go ahead and continue that. Let's go back to this. Jonava. And this is Lithuania. And there you go. So definitely change all this information. And you should have, let's see, if I'm going to duplicate this, there should be 26 slides for both articles. And so this next one is not a pedestrian bridge. It's actually a mixed-use bridge in Huashan. This is in China. So he's actually doing this architect, Santiago Calatrava. So we already know who that architect is. So, and let me see. And we just got to get a good picture of Santiago Calatrava. So. That's a really good picture of him. Actually, this is a good one too. Let's do this one. Oh, it's not saving. Oh, it's not letting because it's an article in the newspaper. Yeah. So let's just find another picture of him. Well, here's a good one. There we go. So I can just delete that, add him over here. Let's shrink this down. Let's bring this up. So architect. Definitely look up information on him. Provide more than just this. So where he went to school. Does he own his own firm? Does he work for somebody else? Does he have major awards? So this is not a pedestrian bridge. This is where is it at? So he's got 3 new bridges for Sean. And so you can see they're mixed use for bikes, cars. Yeah, wonderful stuff. And so definitely go through all the pictures, grab some pictures, um, and take some information down from these articles and make this better. So let's see if I spelled that right. That's wrong bridge. Huashan. Huashan. So this is number 4. Um, and this is in China. And this is plural. So there you go. Change this. Um, show pictures of the bridges. There's no original bridge, so on this article, there's 3 bridges, so I expect pictures of 3 different bridges. And if you could find the type of bridge design it is, great. Describe some of the architectural features, like the length, and you'll have to look that up. So look that up. Same with the pedestrian bridge. Find the length, change this picture out, change this information. Again, we just copied these and we're changing, oh, sorry, we're changing these 4 slides, changing the information. So you know how to do this. We did these together. Um, I'm going to go ahead and um, let you figure it out. These 2 articles. So read the articles, do some research, find pictures. I showed you where to find pictures of the architects, except for this lady. She's an accountant, so I should probably crop her out. Sorry, accountant. Your services are no longer needed. There you go. And so I could probably move this down and move this up. And so you see it should go really fast. Anyway, that's all I got for this week. Go ahead and do those 2 articles, look up all that information. I definitely want to see information. 3 architects, and not architect assistants, and not assistant architect, the architect. So this architect, this architect, this architect. I want information on him. So there you go. So you should be able to give background history on these bridges, and as well as architectural features and dimensions. Find the dimensions, Google them for each of the bridge. Um, they might even say it on the articles itself. So Hmm. Let's see. Okay. It might not, but we did look up the studio and their works. And here's that bridge in Trnava. That might have some information here. And it might not. So you might have to copy this and look it up. Size. Be careful with this. They might be talking about two different bridges. So you might want to put pedestrian bridge. Total length. Okay. So that might be it. I don't know if it's that long. Anyway, that's for y'all to find out. Find out that information. And if you can't find it, well, do your best and talk about this design because I don't know if that's 230 meters. That doesn't sound right. Uh, a meter's about 3 feet, so yeah, that doesn't sound about right for this bridge. Each of these lanes is probably around 11 feet. So anyway, find the information and toss it up on there.